Good morning, everyone. I am HG1 from EC Group. Today, my topic is change of order of integration in multiple integrals. Introduction to change of order of integration. This concept involves swapping the order of integration limits in a multiple integrals. It is often necessary when evaluating complex integrals where one order is difficult to compute. And understanding this process is crucial for simplifying double and triple integrals efficiently. And importance of changing the order of integration. Changing the order can make an integral easy to evaluate by simplifying the limits. It helps in cases when the original limits are complex or difficult to integrate directly, and this technique is essential in solving integrals over irregular or complicated regions. Visualizing regions of integration. Graphical representation of the region helps determine possible orders of integration. Plotting the region in the xy plane allows for better understanding of the bounds. Visual aids facilitate the identification of alternative limits for erasure computation. And steps to change the order of integration. First, carefully describe the region with inequalities in the original order. Next, sketch the region to understand the bounds from different perspectives. Finally, rewrite the limits by switching the roles of the variables based on the sketch. Example of changing the order in double integrals. Consider the integral over the region bounded by y is equals to x into 2 and y is equals to x plus 2. Original order integrate with respect to y first to respect to y first then x. Reversing the order involves expressing x in terms of y and integrating accordingly. Formal procedure for double integrals. Identify the region and describe it with inequalities in the xy plane. Determine the limits for x and y in the original order. Re-express the inequalities to find the new limits, enabling the change in the order of integration. And example of changing the order in triple integrals. For a value defined by inequalities involving x, y, and z, sketch the region. Determine the original limits and then analyze how to switch the innermost and outermost variables. Re-express the integral with the new limits to specify the calculation process and condition for valid changes of order. The region of integration must be bounded and well defined. The inequality describing the region should be continuous and consistent. Changing the order is valid as long as the limits correctly describe the same region in both cases. And common mistakes to avoid: mixing up the inequalities when rewriting the limits, overlooking parts of the region when sketching and redefining bounds, failing to verify that the new limits correctly cover the entire region without overlaps or gaps. And summary practical tips: always sketch the region to understand the relationship between variables. Carefully rewrite the inequalities when changing the order of integration. Practice with various regions to become proficient in switching the order and simplifying integrals. And thank you.